been a hot mess from the jump, which is to be expected when you're doing business. Like in life, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. You guys remember this video? One of my goals for 2022 was to have at least one vending machine in one location, and I've not made any progress on that because I'm scared, and I'm comfortable to admit that. So I got some machines put into a location, but it's been a hot mess from the jump, which is to be expected when you're doing business. Like in life, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So I'm driving out there to see where the delivery truck actually put the machines, because they're not in the right spot. And we're gonna see what we can do to fix it so this company can have their little snackums and their little drinky poos. Hi, Boosh.
Later.
we're about to test to see if the machine works for the very first time. Let's go after, actually we're gonna go after this alkaline water because one of the coils wasn't turning the way I wanted it to. So we're gonna check that out. Alkaline water is 45. We hit 45 and it's gonna tell us the price. We're gonna put in, bill in, oh. Nope. See, this is why we test. Okay, so we're back at it again. I got into the machine and took out the bill acceptor and then just put it right back in. And it says that we've deposited $2. Here's another $1. $3, and then we're gonna vend the alkaline water. So we're gonna press 45, push door. Oh, this is like way in the back. Good gosh. Why is that a thing? All right, but it works. And gave me the correct change. So I spent almost the whole day setting up the machines. We got the combo machine pretty much ready to go. I need to come back tomorrow and fill up those 4 slots, but it should at least start vending cash. I'll also set up the antenna so I can get card reader ready to go. I ran out of time in setting up the snack machine, but we'll do that tomorrow. And the only thing I need to do for this one is set the date and time, but that's not super necessary. A lot of work, but hopefully it's gonna be worth it. I had to take apart, not take apart, but I had to take out the coin mechanism because behind it is the card reader device, and you have to take that out so that you can install the antenna that hooks onto the back of the card reader. It looks like the card reader is working. I did a couple of test runs with different debit cards to make sure that it did work, but it's still taped up because I have to check in with the people who are running the credit card service to make sure everything is good on their end and the money just isn't going to some random account. The combo machine is ready to go, but I have to go pick up Anthony, so I'm gonna come back and set up the snack machine later on. Anthony is learning the family business.